Hello, I'm Sue from Create with Sue, and today we are in Canva. We're going to be creating some stickers to cut out with your ScanNCut, and we will demonstrate how to create some various shape stickers, but today we're going to focus on circular stickers. But I will show you some other techniques to create whatever sticker you like in Canva. From this video, we'll do another video on actually cutting the stickers out on your ScanNCut, and then you can follow on from there. And I'll do actually a whole series of working with stickers. So first up, we're in canva.com. Now, I have a paid version, so I've got a few extra features, but you can use a free version of Canva, and plenty of options to do everything in Canva. It's a great program. I actually really love it. Put that canva.com information in the description of the video so you can find it again later. First up, we are going to create our document page. So today you can create it in A4, US letter, whatever size your sticker paper comes in. My sticker paper is actually in letter size, so 8.5 inches by 11 inches. So we are going to create that document. Now you can look on the side here and create documents, whatever, like a preset document. But today all I'm going to do is type in the word letter, just like that. And it gives you a few options. We're just going to pick this one in portrait because that'll be just fine for stickers. And it will create this document for you. Now down the bottom here, you can adjust the size of the screen and make it bigger or smaller. You can duplicate the page when you're ready. You can add a page up here. Down the bottom here, you can also add a page. And today there's got lots of templates you could use, but today we're going over into the elements, and that will pop it into your screen. Go over here to the left, the elements. You've got some design options, elements. If you want to add text, you can do that too. I've got the paid version, so I've got some branding information. You can do your own uploads and upload any designs that you like. We're going to use the ones in Canva today. So we aim for some circular stickers, and we can just pop a design on here just to give us a bit of a guide. We can use it to outline where we want our sticker to sit if we wanted to. I'm probably not going to. I'm going to probably wait till we get over to the machine. We'll do it that way. And I'm just going to change this color to that. We want to create, well, you can create whatever size sticker you want, but today we will create 2-inch stickers. So up here on the top right, you'll find position, and which will open up this panel on the left. It's a different panel again. This is a way to use your alignment or layers. You can also use layers and align. But down here on the bottom, we can see that this circle is 63 millimeters by 63 millimeters. If we use the lock, it will keep that ratio exactly the same. You can change it to whatever shape you want. So that would be an oval. You can see the oval changes. We'll put it back to 63 so it is a circle, and lock it. So 2 inches is 50 mil. So we'll type in 50 here, which automatically you can see the height has changed to 50 mil as well. And that will be our guide for stickers. We'll go up to the elements here. You can see I've been playing with some. We've got choice of stickers, lots of charts, pictures, tables, frames. These ones are really good with the picture of the cloud and the grass. You can often pop designs into them so the shape goes straight away. There's lots of them. But we are just going to search. So we will go up here and search, and we will search thank you stickers. Thank you stickers. And see what comes up. Graphics, see all. So if you're looking for some sort of thank you sticker to put on a product or a gift or something, you've got all these options. What about some cute little kid stickers? So that kawaii is really popular at the moment. You can see when I type in the kawaii, you can see some more suggestions: kawaii cat, kawaii background, kawaii animals, capybara, or generate some images. We're just going to press enter and see what comes up. Now these ones with the crown, you'll see are a pro. So this premium image is included with your Canva Pro. So when I came in, I said that I had a subscription. So these were included in the subscription. You can use these, but Canva will want to charge you. So perhaps steer away from anything with a crown if you don't want to pay for them. We'll aim for free ones today. This one here is really cute. We'll add him. And we could just do exactly the same. So I'm going to use this as a guide, but we could just go up to position, or we can drag him, whichever you want to do, and use that as a little guide. So he's a bit big still, and he'd look pretty good on a round sticker just like that. So we'll pop him over there. It's our first little character. You can do flowers, there's a little cow, horses, a chick. We've got Easter coming, so a chick would be very cute. Same deal, slide him up. You can see he's 50.6, so already I know he's a bit big. So 40.6 we'll try. Use your little guide, and that's not bad. Don't put him too close to the one next door. Remember, you've got to fit a circle around this one and a circle around this one, so they're not too close. We'll just put 3 across. I know 3 should fit. And we'll move our guide down. So you can put as many stickers across as you think and size them to suit. You can select them all by dragging your mouse over. And once again, this position will give you the ability to centralize them in the middle or to the top. Center obviously will mess them up because we're going horizontally, but if they were going downwards, you'd center left, center bottom. So this one here is a little bit bigger. Maybe we will adjust these just to be a bit more consistent. And straight away you can see that red dotted or pink dotted line there to tell you it's about the same height. This one will do the same when we get there. Here we go. So they are all the same height. If we want to check, you can see this is grayed out on the left here. No more adjustment is required. There's also space evenly. We haven't got enough rows to space evenly just yet, but we're working on it. Keep in mind, if your printer needs a margin area, that you leave enough room for your margins. And let's add some more designs. So these are very easy stickers that we're going to make today. As we move forward this series, I will create some more complex ways around this. We're just going to do a very easy tutorial for this one. So what about if we don't want kawaii? We could choose motivational or floral. Oh, the roller skates are good, aren't they? I had the roller skate. I used to roller skate when I was young, so I wanted to go roller skating the other day. My daughter said, "I don't think so, Mum." I'm like, "I can still do it." Okay, so we've got a full page of stickers here. Add a new page here, or you can add it down here. We will add some wording ones. So you can actually change these colours if you wish. So I've got them much more pinky. You can see this one's got blues and pinks and that up here. So all you do is select the sticker or the shape, go up here to the colorings, and I don't mind these colorings, and we'll just change this one out a little bit. I'll make those a little bit brighter, and this one, there we go. How cute's that? So to duplicate these, just say I want more of these ones, just control, you can either duplicate like that, or you can go Control C and Control V. Now to export these, we'll export both of these. We go up here to the share at the top right and download. So we've got MP4 video, we don't want that. We can either choose PNG or PDF. So if you're going to scan it with your ScanNCut, you would choose potentially either of those. But if you want to bring it into Canvas Workspace, you need to choose PNG. So PDF or PNG for scanning with your ScanNCut, PNG for Canvas Workspace. You could choose also JPEG, JPG, so you get a better quality graphic with the PNG. One thing to keep in mind though is that if you're planning to trace, that Canvas Workspace has a 2 meg limit, so don't export your designs too big. You'll just need to keep it under 2 meg, otherwise it will not trace. But we're going to do it with our ScanNCut today, so we will download these as a PDF, and we can choose to flatten them. We can drop this down and choose either one page or both pages. So at the moment we've got both pages selected. If you chose current page, it will only print this one here, or you can go back to all pages. If you print all pages, it will download it as a zipped file. So we might print them out separately. So we'll do page 1 first, current page 2. So it's saved our download settings. So we've got current page 2 now. Could go up and change it if you needed to, if it wasn't quite right. Still PDF and download. Now, there's a little message down here. You're saving $1 on premium elements. So something I've chosen in this is actually a paid element and I haven't noticed. I'm not sure which one it is, but this is potentially where you would get charged $1, which is not a lot if you've got something you really want. However, aim for something that's free if you want to stay free. And we'll choose download for that. I'll open them up for you. There we are. There's that one open. So that's our PDF with our designs. And I think I've got the other one open there. There we go. PDF with our designs. So we'll come back and cut these out in the next video on your ScanNCut. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.